AI graphics design is awesome, and it's never been easier to take any idea for any project, bring it to life, produce high quality graphics for your business in an instant. So let's take a look. So we got my personal favorite image generation program is called Ideogram, although you can use Midjourney if you want to, or there's another one I like, it's called Leonardo.ai, I believe. So there's some other ones to check out. But personally, I just love the quality of Ideogram. For example, these are some of the graphics that people have generated in an instant from just a prompt. Now, let's get started with this. So say, for example, if you was a personal trainer, right, and you wanted to create a graphic for your training business, top 5 supplements for weight loss, as an example of a graphic. Now, there's 2 ways we can do this. We can actually write the prompt ourselves manually. All right, so we can just type in, we're going to be as descriptive as we can to get the best out result. So we could do this in a couple of ways. We can do a simple version like this. We could say, describe what you want to see. So we want to see a clean, modern infographic for a personal trainer. This graphic is listing 5 supplements for weight loss. Say the primary color is blue, and there is a supplement bottle visible alongside the 5 listed supplements. Okay, right, so let's go with that for now. So there's quite a simple prompt. We've got a few options here. Magic prompt, so that basically takes what we've typed in and it kind of packs it out a bit more, makes it more descriptive for the language model to interpret. So we're going to keep that on. You can experiment with that on or off. We've got a few different aspect ratios here, and then we've got a few other options here. So auto, it kind of picks the best style, or you can change the style. We're going to do a few of these designs really quick. So for now, we're going to keep it on auto, keep everything on auto. We're just going to generate it. Now, Ideogram is free, which is great, and you get a limit of how many generations you can make, and you will be not on the priority generation list. So that means everything takes a little bit longer to generate. But with this paid plan here, you can actually see this is pretty rapid. You know, we're almost at 100% already. And just like that, we're here onto our creations, and here we go. We've got 4 pretty damn good social graphics, really. I mean, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, these 2 are probably my personal favorites. This one is actually, we'll hang on to those for now because we're going to come back to them. Now, I want to head over to ChatGPT because we're actually going to do something here that's going to help for batch creation of graphics. So what we can do is we can take this original prompt that we've listed. Now, this original prompt that we use, now we can take this and we can also give it a bit of context to say, so you are a social media manager who is creating social posts for your clients' training business. So we set the scene. Now we're going to give it a little bit more background. Now with this, what we want to do is generate multiple prompts so we can batch create a lot of graphics as quick as possible. So we're going to say, I want you to write a list of image generation prompts. Now you actually can generate images on ChatGPT. So we're going to put in brackets for use on a external image generator, not on here. Otherwise it might generate some images. If it does, it's not the end of the world, but it just saves a bit of time. And then we're going to say about the following topics. So we can say, you can edit the original one, we can give another one. Let's do this one and say the benefits to intermittent fasting. It's probably not how you spell that, never mind. Say similar modern color options, color scheme with a photo of a runner in the background. Now we can be as detailed as we want here, or we can save a bit of time. We can let ChatGPT do a bit of the legwork as well. So, I mean, you could obviously add more of what you want, what we want to generate. But we can also say here, we say now it is your task to also include, let's give it 4 more ideas for us to generate. Please write these text image prompts in list. Okay, this is quick, this is quite generic, but you know, there's a lot of room here to add more detail. Now, why are we doing this on here? is because we're actually harnessing the creativity of ChatGPT. Save the time, but also get that extra input and brainstorm potential ideas. So let's let this generate. So already we've got, you know, a nice detailed prompt. So we've also got one for benefits of intermittent fasting. We can do a few more. So we're getting some more ideas, meal prep for beginners. So you can see, you know, what we're getting out here. So let's take a few of these. Let's take benefits of intermittent fasting, and let's chuck this into Ideogram. All right. So we've got one in here. We can hit generate. We can let that go in the background. Let's take another one. So let's take the importance of hydration in fitness. Now this is really great with Ideogram. We can actually take all these prompts. We could get ChatGPT to convert this into a spreadsheet document. We can actually upload the spreadsheet, you know, so we can have 20, 30, 40 different graphics on here. And with Pro, we can actually just generate these all in a batch creation, which will save a lot of time. So here we go. We've got another one here. This is looking awesome. I'm really, really liking the look of these. Now let's chuck one more in here. But I know you're probably thinking, well, hang on a minute, because all this is gibberish. We can't use this. Now you're right. There's a way to get around this, which is really clever. So we're actually gonna take this graphic. We're gonna download this. Okay, and we're gonna fly over to Canva. So we're actually gonna open this up into Canva. We're gonna use it in a new design. We're gonna make this square. Right, so we've got this on here now. It's really simple. We just click. We're gonna go edit. We're gonna click the image, go edit, and then we can actually grab the text. And here we are. We can now customize this text. So now we've selected this text here. So we can actually change this to benefits of HIIT training. And then let's also grab. We're gonna get rid of this text down here. Get rid of those. Grab. Or in fact, it just took away. So let's do that. Sorted. Grab text. Now we're going to delete those. Make this a bit bigger. And as a start, I mean, check it out. You know, this has taken a few minutes, and we can do this for all of these graphics that we've generated here. So I hope that just shows the power and the speed that we can harness if we use AI for graphics design and ideation. Now, if you are a graphics designer, you might be shaking your head, but at the same time, you might be thinking, wow, you know, this is a superior way to create initial designs for clients, you know, pull together briefs, or even to create finished graphics for publishing as a graphics designer or a social media manager, or even a business owner. So I hope you found that this has been helpful, and I hope you can see how easy it is to create graphics yourself. If you got value out of the video, then please give us a like and subscribe for future content.